best VPN on the internet is Surfshark. Now, why should you use a VPN? Because everybody should be protected online. Data is the #1 selling substance in the world, and people buy it every single day without you even knowing, without even giving permission sometimes. So use a VPN and protect what you're searching, protect what you're doing, and protect the details you're entering. The best way to do that, guys, is Surfshark. Let me show you exactly why I love Surfshark so much. So with my link down below, you're gonna get the best deal you can. You're gonna get 3 months extra for free and a discounted price. But let's go into why you should choose Surfshark over some other VPNs. Number one, you can connect to unlimited devices. So your phone, your laptop, your computer, your friends that live on the other side of the world can all log into Surfshark and use this with one payment. Your server locations, over 100 different locations, all right, which is absolutely insane. Now, guys, you compare this to ExpressVPN, some of the biggest in the world, they only allow you to have a certain amount of devices apart from access, okay? When you go to the alternative email generator, we have that, no one else does. Data breach alerts, we have that, no one else does apart from CyberGhost. Malware protection, we have that, and not many others do, and the tracker and blocker. So you get more with Surfshark than you do with any other, okay? Protect yourself online, guys. There's a reason that everybody chooses Surfshark. It's very easy to set up, got unlimited devices, that's the biggest plus. Malware protection, robust privacy, it's top-level encryption, and innovative Nexus technology. And guys, it's really easy, okay? Let me just search on my computer right now, click on here, okay, and show you what this looks like. So this is what it comes up like. You can see on my screen, okay? Very easy. If I want to go to the quickest, I live in Indonesia, if I want to go straight to Singapore, one click, and within 3 seconds, guys, there you go, finished. I'm already on Singapore. If you want to go to the Bahamas, I click that, there we go, I'm in a virtual location in the Bahamas. It's disconnected from Singapore, and right now we are connected. So guys, it's literally that fast to get yourself connected, and that's why everyone in the world is going with this to maximize your security. But remember, you're only going to get this deal if you click my link underneath this video. So that is why Surfshark is the #1 VPN in the world. Please make sure that you do stay protected online. If you're watching this video and you haven't got a VPN on, anybody can be seeing what you're watching, what you're typing, what comments you put, everything, all right? You need to protect yourselves. Hit that like button, hit subscribe button, the bell if you're notified. Get Surfshark's deal right now underneath, and let's get protected.